Do you want to add song to Instagram post after posting it? I will help you in 2 ways to add song to Instagram post after posting it with complete guide. First, open Instagram. Then go to your profile. Find the post you want and open it. Alright, now tap the 3 dots on the post. Scroll down and tap delete. Confirm that you want to remove it. Next, upload the post again. On the editing screen, tap Explore Audio and pick the song you like. Now, if you don't want to delete the post, no worries. Just open your post. Tap the little paper plane share icon. Choose Add to your story. Then tap the music sticker. Pick your song and share the story. If you want music on a post, add the song before you upload it because Instagram doesn't let you change the music later. And that's it. Now you know how to add a song to an Instagram post after it's already up. Thanks for watching.